Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine and in great health. I am Sonali ma'am, and I hope you all have done revision of naming words in your homework book and read the words and seen the pictures nicely and done your homework as well. So, children, let's begin doing a revision of naming words today. Like I said, children, yesterday, everything around us has a name, such as people, places, animals, and things like boy, teacher, father, mother are names of people. School, Gurudwara, hospital, temple are names of places. Rooster, zebra, cow, bird are names of animals. Train, tree, flower, banana are names of things. Okay, children, let's do a fun activity of naming words. Here I've got some mixed pictures and we will place them in its correct place. Here I have people, animals, places and things. Let's place them where they belong. Okay. Wow. The first picture is mosque. Mosque comes under places. Right. So we'll place it here. Next we have, oh, so sweet. It's a girl. We will place it under people. That's right. Girl is also a naming word. Then we have fish. Fish is a naming word. It goes under animals. Then we have brother. Brother goes under people. Then we have house. House is also a naming word. Will go under places. That's right. Then we have, wow, what is this? Yes, orange. Orange will go under things. Then we have church. Church is a place, so it will go here. Then we have, oh, look at this, star. Shining star. It will go under things. Then we have a bee. Bee will go under, yes, very good, children, animals. Then we have goat. Goat will also go under animals. Then we have, what is this? Park will go under places. Yes. Then we have a policeman. A policeman will go under people. Then we have, what is this? Yes, it's a cloud. It'll go under things. Then we have sister. Yes, it'll go under people. Then we have one more, animal. Yes, hen will go under animals. And we have this beautiful blue balloon. It will go under things. So, this is a small activity of naming words. I hope you all enjoyed it. Now that we have done revision and seen some more pictures of naming words, let's do another revision of blends in our class workbook. Now children, please open your class workbook to page number 80. Here we have to fill in the correct letters below the given pictures. It means there are few letters given under the picture and few are missing. So, wherever there is a dash, you will write the correct letter according to the spelling. Okay, let's start with the first picture. The first picture is of a spoon. What is the spelling of spoon? Yes, it's S-P-O-O-N, spoon. So you will fill in the blank space with P and O, the way I have written in red. Okay. Next one is the color black. Yes, the spelling of black is B-L-A-C-K, black. Next is flock. Flock. The spelling of flock is F-L-O-C-K, flock. Can anyone tell me what the next picture is? Yes, it's a glass. The spelling of glass is G-L-A-S-S, glass. Next is brick. B-R-I-C-K, brick. Next is, what is this, children? Yes, it's a tree. The spelling of tree is T-R-E-E-E, tree. Next is block. B-L-O-C-K, block. So children, you will do the same way that I have done in your own class workbook. Now for your homework, please open your homework page to page number 7676. Here you have to do this page as homework where you have to fill in the correct letters below the given pictures, just the way we have done in our classwork. So you will do page number 76 and page number 77, which is this one. Okay? I hope you enjoyed today's session as much as I did. Till we meet again soon, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.